Igbo ekene m unu Igbo ndị ọma ije m unu biko kwana na geenụ m ntị n'olu ka anyị burukwana batakwa n'ụbọchị nketa na ihe na-emekwa n'okpuru anyanwụ a na o nwere ndị na-aja aya ayụyọ hapụta ha ejego nwa kulu nwa pụta na main road na-ayọ ayụyọ ya bụ ihe akarịa na n'ala Igbo ahụ unu na-atọ ọnwụ n'afọ na-atakwanụ nwa amụnụ unu kụkwanụ unu etukwuru n'okpuru anwụ na-asị ka emetere unu ebele dị wọs unu na-aya ayọ si na unu dị blind na mụ hụ na aka ụkwụ na-agawara na anya na-agawarawara na afịa biko na-ekene ka esi gbapue ndị ayụyọ anụ nwa afọ maka na ihe na-emezi na onye emezi ndị mmadụ na-atụkụziri egwu inyere mmadụ aka ịmaghị onye bụ onye ịmaghị na ọ bụ eziokwu maka ndị ọjọọ dị na afụzi na people always seems to pity people epụtasị mmadụ na-eyuzo mmadụ ibie esi na ịdị blind ma ị naghị afụ ụzọ ma ị na-afụ ụzọ esi na ọgwụ a nwee nwa mana ọgụgụ na-eje aha ya nwa unu ji aya ayọ biko kwana asị m ọ na-ahadaka gị n'aka ndị uwe ojii biko kwana sisi ọ ahụ gbapụwe ndị ọzọ maka na anyị kwule n'afọ anụ nwere ihe onye na-eme this year bụ year of exposure na elekere nke esi gbapụ ndị anụ nwa afọ ka maka esi wee chọpụtakwa ajọ ha na-eme n'ala Igbo anyị.
Now who be the father of these children? You don't know where the papa is. Now where wanna get these children? Oh, now where wanna get these children? Are you aware that this place is not healthy for these children? Are you aware? Are you also aware that kidnappers, ritualists can stop here now, carry any of the children and run away? Are you aware? And I'm not comfortable with that. Now this one is acting dumb and deaf. You are claiming that you don't know where she come from. You don't know where you live. You don't know your address. You don't know where you come from. You don't know anything about these children. You don't know anything about this woman. You don't know anything about where you live. Now, for our viewers all over the world, we are ready to take care of these children if they are legit. For those of you waiting on the Lord for the fruit of the womb, we are moving these children out of the street right now. That they hire these children just to beg money. We will make sure they spend the rest of their lives in jail. But the children will be well taken care of. So if you are interested in helping us to take care of these children, whether she is the biological mother to the children or not, the important thing is that we will not allow these children to continue to be exposed to ill health, danger of the street and all that. As you look at the children, they are too tender to be here. So please contact us. If you're watching us from Europe, if you're watching us from Britain, if you're watching us from South Africa, if you're watching us from any of the Asia countries or any of the African countries, and you still want God to bless you with the fruit of the womb, you want God to bless your marriage with children, contact us immediately. We are taking care of these children henceforth. Listen to me now. We are going straight to the police station. Are you hearing me? You will record your statement on her behalf. Like how much do you make every day? How much do you make every day? Speak louder now. How much you know they make? How much you know they get every day? You say what? Some days you get 10,000. Some days you get 15,000. Who is this? The auntie? The coordinator? I know the deal. I'm from Ononye. I already know that she is not the mother of these children. That she uses these children to make money for the auntie.
For the auntie.
You are all looking for the auntie, and we know. And by the time we hand you over to the police, you will provide the auntie.
Yes.
Forget that. Money cook, money cook, all your kita. We're going to make it go for the day. These people are really making money.
10,000 to 50,000 a day.
Huh? We're really making money. You make go for the day. Look at these children. Look at the person that claimed to be their mother. Unfortunately, even the person that claimed to be their mother and the helper are working for one woman, one auntie. That auntie needs to tell us where she gets these little children from. I pitied them. I carried the babies. I gave them money. Unknown to me that this could be arranged. Now I have been reliably informed that these people are doing business with little children like this. You make 10 to 15,000 naira every day. You hand it, come. Who do you give the money after the day business? Who do you give the money?
Answer now.
Now who you they give money after when you close? Eh? That woman. Now the auntie. So you collect the money. At the end of the day, you go and do account for the auntie. Oh, where that Iberibe? Where Kultur umaka where that she have ego? Sindi all umfanye ego. And you got 2,000. I'm no rigom. I'm a gum association of Ndi Igbo. And the year change. Now I have to go down and find out about those children. I can take care of them. But in the process, I received the message. Attire. Ndi neighbor Abraham with the business. Ne Valentino somewhere with the business. Ne kutenwa ne kunyendia. Abiachon umwaka of the same age. Fabia ewolfana tego. Unu jizinti unu no na bana kotego for the day. Ewere ajenye the auntie. Gini kunu choka ime umwaka. Onga bufana ba. Mana ona ati onye ogbu kita. Etini ife no yeku. Rabia no yeku oku mo go yejiku oku. We will first of all go to the police station. Hello. I am a peace ambassador. I am recognized by the United Nations. I have to do what is right. If I take these children now, the auntie will go to the police station first to report that somebody kidnapped these children. And I will become a kidnapper. That is why I want everything we are doing to go live on Facebook. I am a man that loves little children.
I know you, sir.
I cannot leave these children here. So what we need to do is to make sure we hand them over to the police. I will get an authority from the law to take care of the children. Why the police will detain these people and wait for their auntie? Yes.
Some location at Aronda. Particular in a book of Poluka, we in a like
hey, auntie, as in a book, with the lobby. If one year, of one of the
speaking on a book.
Now, Kenzie, God bless you. Thank you. Bonya. God bless you. Thank you. Manakita, what are going? Emergency de Bandom. Emergency de Bandom. You've been disturbed your water before the auntie call you. Eh? Say better work day. How much did they give you every day? Eh? 1,000. 1,000. Does he give you money for food? I don't money for you. You know they give you money for food. Now from that 1,000, why they eat in the morning, eat in the afternoon, and eat in the night. And you come and sit down here every day. What a career kita? Now what a career is no far for butter. When I do me, respond now. Now, she stop. Come go back and go. Kuno wega ni na mi find you. Every now and then, if you know they hear watching this person, deaf and dumb with the talk, all the sign when they give, you know they hear them. You go hear my own.
Sorry,
Hey, Auntie had that all say I be a go on. She start to talk. Oh yeah, both of you get up. Who never gonna have us? Who never gonna have us? Allow them.
Ụmụnne resembles ekenekwa m unu biko asị m ebe onye na-enecha vidiyo ma biko nye na ya aka share this video, nye na ya aka gbasaa ya, nyekwa na ya aka subscribe gbe notification ka unu na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla post video. Biko kwanụ na comment kwa na the video ma na reply comment maka comment section anyị si adị gbara n'ọbụ na osi na dị Igbo ndị ọma mụrụ nze mmụọ ọzọ ka anyị nwekere na mgbe ọzọ.